In this video, you'll learn how to link Calendly to Typeform effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you will successfully integrate these two platforms to streamline your scheduling process. Begin by navigating to Typeform, open your web browser, and enter the Typeform URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in. If required, enter your credentials and click Sign In to access your Typeform dashboard. After logging in, locate the Workspaces option on the left side of the screen. Click on it to view your available workspaces. Make sure you select the correct workspace where you want to create the new Typeform. Next, click on the button labeled Start from Scratch. This option is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. After selecting this, you will be directed to a new form creation screen where you can begin designing your Typeform. Once you are on the form creation screen, look for the option labeled Calendly in the available integrations. Click on this option to proceed. This will initiate the integration process between your Typeform and Calendly account. After clicking on Calendly, you will see a button that says Authenticate. Click this button to connect your Calendly account with Typeform. A pop-up window may appear asking you to log in to your accounting. Once authenticated, you will need to select the event type that you want to link to your Typeform. This option allows you to choose which specific Calendly event will be made available through your Typeform. Make your selection carefully to ensure it meets your scheduling needs. Next, look for an option that says Show Event Details. Enabling this feature allows respondents to view important information about the event, such as duration and location. Click on this option to activate it before moving on. Finally, after configuring all settings, locate the Save button, which is typically at the bottom right of the screen. Click Save to confirm your integration settings. Once saved, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your Typeform is now linked with Calendly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.